Gina's. Oh, I like this. Oh, I have a thing for showers. Oh, this is the bathroom. Lovely. And oh, I love the stealables. Absolutely love the stealables, as Gina calls them. Oh, look at this. Love it. Enough for two. Big enough for two to share. Right, let's have a look at this room. I love the pale colours. I do love. Oh, love this, love this. Another one to add to my collection. I actually take these home and use them for my visitors and my guests to walk around. So I'm quite pleased. Ah, my needed coffee. I love it. It's beautiful. It's nice and clean. And oh, let's see. We've got an outdoor area. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Greece. Okay, I don't know how to open the door, but yes. Oh, we've got a little outside area. Oh, overlooking the other pool. Okay, it's a bit windy today, and by the waterfront. It's a bit windy today, and it's a bit cold, so there is absolutely nobody by the pool. Okay, but we are in Greece.